Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that'll help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com.
Alright, well, I guess we gotta fight a cowboy today. Let's see how we do. Everyone fight his hands. Aya! Good, alright, so for this one, we're gonna actually practice using our elbows. Ready? We're gonna throw elbow strikes. Power elbow, my count, elbow. Good, elbow. Up elbow. Up elbow. Nice, good. Oh, he's gonna throw some punches at us. Let's practice slipping and rolling. Ready? Slip. Slip. Roll. Nice, good job again. Slip. Slip. Roll. Nice, good job, Mark. Let's practice those elbows again. Here we go. Elbow. Elbow. Up elbow. Up elbow. Good, nice.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.
Let's go ahead and finish him off with some knees. Ready? 10 knees on this side. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Right, other side. Ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's finish him off with that one spinning elbow. Ready? And go. Oh, dirty. Down and big enough for me.
This video has been brought to you by Catholic Fightwear. Catholic Fightwear is a rash guard company that makes Catholic-themed martial arts rash guards. From Blessed Takayama, St. Joan of Arc, to St. Michael the Archangel. They have all sorts of stuff. I personally wear it myself. If you guys are interested in getting any of their apparel, click the links down below. Let's go ahead and go back to the video.
You did it!